Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen, wassalatu wassalamu ala khatamin nabiyyin wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in, amma ba'd, fa'auzu billahi minash shaitanir rajim, bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Qala Allah ta'ala fi Surah Al-Maeda, يا أيها الذين آمنوا ليبلونكم الله بشيء من الصيد تناله أيديكم ورماحكم ليعلم الله من يخافه بالغيب فمن اعتدى بعد ذلك فله عذاب أليم. Translation: O you believers, Allah will surely test you through a hunting game which you can catch with your hands and with your spears. Allah knows them who fear Him in private, even though He is unseen. Those who transgresses and disobey after this bound set by Allah, then a painful punishment is awaiting for them. In the previous ayahs and previous ruku, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala commanded Muslims not to abstain from the things that are halal and tayyib, and also commanded not to exceed the limits, and commanded to abstain from the things that are haram and prohibited. And in this ruku and these ayahs, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is mentioning about things that are generally not haram, but due to special circumstances they become haram. For example, one who is doing the Umrah or Hajj and is in the state of Ihram, he cannot do hunting. And Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is mentioning that in this ayah, that if you are in Ihram and going for Umrah or Hajj, then you cannot do the hunting. And Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will test you by sending the animals of hunt very close and very easy to get, but those who will fear Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will not hunt them because they know the commandment of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. One example of similar commandment was given to the Jews when they were commanded not to do the fishing on the day of Saturday, and they did not obey that commandment and tried to trick and make an excuse on this commandment, and Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala sent them a painful punishment, and we have studied that in Surah Baqarah. A similar test was given to Muslims as well when at the time of Surah Hudaybiyah, the Treaty of Hudaybiyah, they were in the state of Ihram. The Muslims were in the state of Ihram, and Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala sent plenty of game animals and birds that the Muslims could easily kill. And Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam and the companion of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam did not do any hunting, and proved that they care about all the commandments of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and they follow the commandments of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Let's pray that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala give us true understanding of Quran and help us follow all the commandments of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Ameen. Wa akhiru da'wana alhamdulillahi rabbil alameen. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.